Guys, welcome back to another video. Today me and my dog are reading the 12 Dogs of Christmas. Here we go. Aw, they're so cute. Look how cute those guys are. I want 10 of them. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a poodle in a doghouse. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 Saint Bernards and a poodle in a doghouse. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 Cocker Spaniels, 2 Saint Bernards, and a poodle in a doghouse. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 Basset. That's so funny. 4 Basset hounds are winged. Oh, that guy's Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. 3 Cocker Spaniels, 2 Saint Bernards, and a poodle in a doghouse. And the dog with me. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden retrievers, 4 Basset hounds, 3 Cocker Spaniels, 2 Saint Bernards, and a poodle in a doghouse. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 boxers boxing. Look at that. Boxers boxing. The boxing. 5 golden retrievers, 4 Basset hounds, 3 Cocker Spaniels, 2 Saint Bernards, and a poodle in a doghouse. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 huskies howling on sleighs, 6 boxers boxing, 5 golden retrievers, 4 Basset hounds, 3 Cocker Spaniels, 2 Saint Bernards, and a poodle in a doghouse. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 sheepdogs snoring. Look at that one. He's dreaming about all that food. So funny. 7 huskies howling, 6 boxers boxing, 5 golden retrievers, 4 Basset hounds, 3 Cocker Spaniels, 2 Saint Bernards, and a poodle in a doghouse. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 chihuahuas shopping. That one's funny with them. 2 of them are in a cookie jar, getting some Christmas cookies. 8 sheepdogs snoring, 7 huskies howling, 6 boxers boxing, 5 golden retrievers, 4 Basset hounds, 3 Cocker Spaniels, 2 Saint Bernards, and a poodle in a doghouse. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 Dalmatians dancing. They're ballerinas. Mr. Penguin's going crazy out there. 9 chihuahuas chomping, 8 sheepdogs snoring, 7 huskies howling, 6 boxers boxing, 5 golden retrievers, 4 Basset hounds, 3 Cocker Spaniels, 2 Saint Bernards, and a poodle in a doghouse. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 webs of laughing. There they are. Okay. 10 Dalmatians dancing, 9 chihuahuas jumping, 8 sheepdogs snoring, 7 huskies howling, 6 boxers boxing, 5 golden retrievers, 4 basset hounds, 3 cocker spaniels, 2 St. Bernards, and a poodle in a doghouse. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. This one's funny. I've seen this one before. A cat. Uh-oh. Bye.